in a truck, which isn't mine, which generally only means one thing. There's a motorcycle in the back of it, and this motorcycle is now mine. If you all follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen a picture of it already. But if you haven't, one, go follow me on Instagram, and two, here it is. That is, zoom is slow. That is a classified moto, original. It's not their usual style. Well, it's their style, but it's not their usual kind of bike. And this was based on a Triumph Daytona 675. Now, as you all OGs know, I already have a Daytona, but that's a 650, which was the last of the 4 cylinders. This 675 is a 3-cylinder, a triple. It's actually a 2011, but it's only got, I don't know, like 3,000 miles on it or something ridiculous. And they customized it for one of their customers, who I think probably low-sided it because he was a new rider or something. Just, you know, minor scrapes on the alternator case, that sort of thing, on the stator case rather. So they've put some cool stuff on it, custom gas tank, some pro taper bars, their own seat. They put some chunky ass tires on it, so it's kind of like a reverse supermoto in a way. But yeah, I took it for a quick spin before I put it in the back of the truck here, and it is fun. Sounds great too because it's got a custom pipe on it. Can't wait to get out on the street and ride that. Probably one of the first rides I'll do is probably up to Motonosity and Fry's place. Hopefully we can get Hunter out on a ride as well if he's not busy with his new girl Brittany, and hopefully she can come for a ride too, because she's a rider, stunter, or learning to be a stunter, I think. But yeah, hopefully we can get the crew back together and start riding again, making some vlogs. But regardless, I'll be making some more videos. My girlfriend and I, we just bought a house and moved in, so that's taken up a lot of our time. So we're getting settled in there. Got to build a new computer, but in the meantime I should still be able to edit with my current one. So yeah, that's about it. You'll be seeing some more videos from me soon. I know I said I'm starting up again in my last video, which was like, I don't know, 2 months ago now. But that Ducati was actually stolen and recovered in the meantime. So it's at a Ducati garage now, or garage for you fancy Americans, waiting to get worked on. Okay, so I got the bike, but I'm going to show you a couple of little videos I took. My GoPro has not been the most reliable recently, so and I didn't have the mic hooked up yet, so apologies for the sound. And the angle as well, because the camera on the helmet wasn't quite right. So here's a little clip of me taking the bike for a test drive before bringing it back, which you've just seen with me in the truck. And then you'll see me out on a quick ride with Hunter Honda and Motonosity, although it's just a clip of me meeting up with Hunter. I was going to release this video a little while ago, but Hunter took a while to do his new bike reveal, so now that he's done that, go check it out. Yeah, take a look at that. I'll be riding some more with the lads, I'm sure, in the near future, now that I have this super cool bike, which I love. So much fun to ride. I'm in my new garage, by the way, and it is stormy out. Just about to do some DIY. Got this pink insulation stuff here. There we go. I'm gonna insulate the garage door, try and keep the temperature a little more consistent in here. And yeah, so you saw some of the pictures that I snapped for Instagram of the new bike. So go ahead and check me out on Instagram at evo.moto, and I'll see you very, very soon in the next video, hopefully. One love.